Let's discuss the strategic human resource development management. But before anything else, let's define human resource first. Human resource is one of the essential resources for any organization and its development, if the organization is self-motivated and growth-oriented. Compared to other essential resources of the organization, human resource is most potential and capable of helping the organization grow and develop in the right direction. But why? It's as simple as human resources guide the organization towards attaining values and organizational growth through its agency, staff, employees, and vendors. But in order for this to work, we need to know more about human resource development. So, what is human resource development or HRD concept? Human resource development can be explained as the essence of increasing knowledge, capabilities, and positive work attitudes of all people working at all levels in a business undertaking. Hence, human development management creates a structure for helping the employees of the organization in developing their organization and personal abilities, know-how, and skills. The in charge of doing all these tasks is the HR department of any organization. They help the employees to know and develop their skills through employee training, career development program, managing their performance, coaching, monitoring, success planning, development, identifying key employees, giving tuition for assistance and development of the organization. The bottom line is, human resource development focuses on creating a very useful work culture by developing a very efficient workforce that both the organization and the employee obtain their career goals to serve their customers better. Next up, we will gonna have to discuss the perception and intention of human resource development. Herein, we will be referring to HRD as the human resource development. HRD is a continuous and planned manner in which the employees of the organization are guided to perceive the following points. The very important point of HRD is to gain and polish the employees' abilities required to execute different roles related to their existing and future job responsibilities to help them perform well. This intervention will greatly push the organizations towards growth and development. Another important point that can be a domino effect from the very first point of HRD is that HRD will help the employees develop their inner potential and learn new ones by learning how to explore their capabilities for self and organizational development. The last perception of HRD is that it also develops the organizational culture in which the relationship between the supervisor and the subordinate contributes to the collaboration amongst the different units in the organization with teamwork and strong contribution of professional well-being by motivating the employees' pride. To sum it all, the intention of HRD is to create better employees by polishing their skills and also helping them in discovering new ones. Let's move on to the importance of human resource development. The consequence of highly efficient staff and their performance is the growth of any organization. It will help the organization in its dynamic growth and development. Hence, in order to perform well, the organization needs to keep its employees' morals and motives very high and strong. It is an ongoing process of regular training and coaching organized by the company to keep these morals and motives high and strong within its employees. Also, the company needs to continuously monitor their performances and development. Therefore, human resource development is important because it adds to the benefit of both employees and the organization.
So my topic is about advantages of human resource development and important functions and features of human resource development and the HRD and HRM compared. So first, let's tackle about advantages of human resource development. So there are 15, but gisummarize na siya mo ng himo 6. So first is HRD focuses on employee competences and creates an accessible performance system. So, ngano usa siya sa advantages tungod HRD helps employees learn and improve their skills, making them better at their professions and establishing a way to assess how well they are doing, and also HRD foster trust, confidence, and respect among employees. So second is enables and benefits an employee or and creates an atmosphere where the employees accept change challengingly. So HRD empowers and support employees, making them more open to embracing and adapting to changes in the organization. In simpler term, HRD helps employees feel capable and comfortable with facing and accepting challenging changes within the workplace. So third is generates new values and focuses on the overall improvement of the employees. So are is that enhancing and improving values and skills of the employees is helps the employees grow not just in their job skills but as individual with the better values. So fourth is benefits in creating organizational effectiveness, and it focuses on maximizing the available resources. So ari kay HRD helps improve the efficiency and success of the organization by ensuring that the available resources like time, money, and manpower are used to their fullest potential. In short, HRD aims to make the organization work better by making the most out of what it has. Next is 5. Motivates the workers and collects useful data for employee management. So, DRIA HRD boosts employee morale and productivity while producing the information needed to make informed decisions about their development and performance within the organization. Lastly is gives recognition and reputation to employees and focuses on the organization overall development. So sa number 6, advantage yun ni siya tungod HRD recognized and rewards employees for their contribution while emphasizing the organization overall growth and development. In short, HRD prioritizes the growth and progress of the entire organization as a whole, that it's about appreciating individual contribution while aiming for the overall betterment of the company. So, all in all, HRD creates value for both employees and the organization. So, next topic is important function and features of human resource development. 15 gapon ni siya, summarize lang muna mo 7. So first is develop the potential of employee and the relationship between subordinate and supervisor. So kanisha is that this important function and feature of HRD is focuses on improving employee skills and capabilities while also fostering positive relationship between employee or subordinate and supervisors that aims to create a productive and harmonious work environment benefiting both individuals and the organization or the overall organization growth. So number 2, works toward the health of the organization and calls employee the human resources. So this means that HRD focuses on improving the overall well-being and the overall well-being and success of the organization by recognizing and treating employees as valuable asset or HR essential to the organization vitality and growth. Number 3, stresses the emphasis on the development of human resources and develops the utilizes individual's capability. So this is highlight and primary focus of HRD and on enhancing the skills and potential of each employee, recognizing that by developing individual capabilities and the organization can maximize its human resource for greater effectiveness and success. Number 4, develop relationship amongst colleges along with the interpersonal skills. So, this indicates that HRD aims to facilitate the establishment of positive relationship and improve interpersonal skills among colleagues, fostering fostering a cooperative and harmonious work environment where effective teamwork and communication are promoted. Number 5, develop and promotes team spirit and a healthy work atmosphere. So this means that HRD aims to build a sense of unity and collaboration among employees, fostering a positive and supportive work environment that encourages teamwork, motivation, and overall well-being. Number 6, creates collaboration among subsystem and aims to develop a sense of responsibility amongst employees. So, this suggests that HRD works to enhance collaboration and coordination between different departments or subsystems within an organization, while instilling a sense of of acato- of accountability and responsibility among employees for their works, for their roles and contribution to the organization's success. Number 7, last, develop competences, examine and identify the needs of the employees, and believes in the continuous and systematic learning process. So, this implies that HRD focuses on improving the skills and capabilities of employees by identifying their specific training and development requirements, and it places a strong emphasis on ongoing structured learning to ensure that employees continuously enhance their competences. So, in conclusion, HRD plays a crucial role in nurturing and harnessing the potential of an organization workforce. By focusing on these functions and features, HRD contributes to the growth and success of both individuals, employees, and the organization as a whole. So, the last topic is human resource development and human resource management compared. So, first is HRM related to management and maintaining of the employees in the organization, whereas the HRD concept is more into the development part of the employees and the organization both. So, HRM is about the here and now aspect of managing employees, ensuring that daily HR function runs smoothly, while HRD is about investing in the future by developing both individuals, employees, and the organization to adapt, grow, and remain competitive in the changing business environment. In short, HRM is about managing and maintaining employees in the present, while HRD is about developing employees and organization for the future. Number 2, HRM creates a separate organizational structure that is independent and does not depend on your part of the organization, whereas the HRD definition develops a constitution that is independent and related to each other, which definitely means it cannot be an independent part of the organization. So HRM often establishes a distinct HR department or structure for managing day-to-day HR activities, while HRD integrates development activities within the existing organization to foster continuous learning, growth, and alignment with the organization mission and objectives. So number 3, HRM focuses on improving the potential of the employees only, whereas the HRD definition focuses on improving the potentials of both an organization the employees as a whole. So ari kay HRM primarily focuses on improving individual employees' potential, while HRD focuses on enhancing the potential of the organization and its employees as a whole. Number 4, the responsibility of HRM is to give the HRD responsibility to a few personnel managers and HRD department, whereas the responsibility of HRD department is to give HRD responsibility to every manager as every level of organization. So, HRM assigns HRD responsibility to specific personnel or department lang, while ang HRD promotes a culture where HRD responsibilities are distributed to every manager at every level of the organization. Number 5, last number, HRM focuses on monetary rewards and incentives to motivate employees of the company in order to help them perform better. Whereas the HRD definition focuses on satisfying the high order needs of the employees in order to help them perform better in the organization. So HRM uses monetary rewards and incentives for motivation, while HRD focuses on meeting higher orders needs such as personal growth and job satisfaction to motivate employees. And that's end to our report.